Well, this is a FPTV exclusive from Tobago, right? Since you like the Caribbean accent, we had to ask you, what is the scene, right? That's what we normally say here. So you is Sean Dedan, right? Sean Dedan from FPTV. You're getting an exclusive today. One of these days, you had to come down and rip some packs with us, boy, definitely. I like everything you just do for the community. That's the man who rocking the stream, rocking the FPV videos, tearing it up, giving us the airtime that we really need, right? While we're asleep, this man rocking it, doing everything he needs to be doing to get the videos played. All right, so this video is for you, bro.
The nights we cried, and how I tried to find that space and crawl inside, behind your eyes, inside your mind, what I always seem to find. We're all alone, we're all alone, with so many people in this world. We're all alone, we're all alone, with so many people in this world. When I roast my post and I make my toast to the sweet sensation that I love the most, and I throw my seed and I grow my weed, may I never come down as a man with greed. So no disrespect, cause I don't neglect this life, this day that I do reflect. So no disrespect, cause I don't neglect this life, this day that I do reflect. When I roast my post and I make my toast to the sweet sensation that I love the most, and I throw my seed and I grow my weed, may I never come down as a man with greed. So no disrespect, cause I don't neglect this life, this day that I do reflect. So no disrespect, cause I don't neglect this life, this day that I do reflect.